there. Welcome to the lunch spot. How are you doing today?
Hi, I'm doing well, thank you. Honestly, I am absolutely starving. It smells delicious in here.
That is good to hear. We are very busy today, so the kitchen smells great. Are you ready to order or do you need a few more minutes?
I think I need a little help. Everything looks so good. What do you recommend? What is your favorite dish on the menu?
That is a hard question. If you are very hungry, I recommend the Big House Burger. It is huge. But if you want something lighter, the grilled chicken salad is wonderful.
The burger sounds amazing, but I am trying to be healthy this week. Okay, let me ask you a question. Is the grilled chicken salad filling? Will I still be hungry after I eat it?
No, not at all. It comes with avocado, eggs, and a lot of chicken. It is a very big salad.
Okay, you convinced me. I will have the grilled chicken salad, please.
Great choice. Now, what kind of dressing would you like with that? We have ranch, Italian, or simple oil and vinegar.
I'll take the ranch dressing, please. Oh, and could you put the dressing on the side? I don't want my lettuce to get soggy.
Of course, ranch on the side. No problem. And would you like anything to drink? Maybe a soda or some iced tea?
Actually, since I am being healthy with the salad, I probably shouldn't have a soda. Just a glass of water with lemon, please. And maybe a coffee? Is it too late for coffee?
It is never too late for coffee. Do you want milk or sugar with that?
Yes, please. Both milk and sugar. I need some energy for the rest of the day.
Okay, so that is one grilled chicken salad with ranch on the side, a water with lemon, and a coffee with milk and sugar. Is that everything for now?
Yes, that's perfect. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. I'll get your drinks right away.